Lost or broken your Kogan TV remote? You're not alone, and finding a replacement isn't as easy as it sounds. But don't worry, the team at RemoteOZ has got you covered. Kogan has released dozens of different TV models over the years. And here's the thing, each model often requires a completely different remote. Because many of those models were discontinued, so does the remote controls. So you can't just grab those discontinued Kogan TV remote controls easily at a local store. Fortunately, at RemoteOZ, we stock over 400 replacement remotes for Kogan TVs, covering everything from older KALED series to smart HDR 4K models, Android TV series, and the latest voice control remotes with Netflix and YouTube hotkeys. Whether your TV is from 2010 or 2024, we've got the right remote for it. We've got even the latest Kogan TV remote models, including Tizen OS and WebOS smart TVs. Finding the right one is simple. Just head to RemoteOZ.com, type in your Kogan TV model number. You'll find it on a sticker on the back of your TV, and we'll show you the exact remote that fits. All our Kogan remotes ship free across Australia, and most arrive within just a few days. No programming needed. Just plug in the batteries and you're back in control. Get back to your favorite shows today. Visit RemoteOZ.com today, Australia's largest range of replacement remote controls.